I started to work on one of the cabinets. I found a basket. What is it? A tisket, a tasket? Something, a basket? I don't know. Anyway, like what the actual F is in here? Holy crappers. I'm having a good hair day though. It feels a little dry to the touch. You guys know how I like it to feel a little more hydrated. Do I get used to it because my hair is so fine now? I don't know. This is overwhelming. This is really overwhelming. I got a lot done, my guys and girls. Look at that. The whole basket is empty except for that, which is all of the paperwork from my husband's health. Okay, so anyway. Wow, that was a shock. That was like, wow. And so now what do I do with it? Do I shred it? Do I throw it out? I mean, it's a lot. When my husband and I were getting married, we had a videographer that we hired, and his name was Hubert. Well, my husband, for whatever, you had to know my husband, seriously, because he used to call him Pooh Bear. I'm sorry. Oh my God, that just made me laugh. Because when I looked at the name, I said, oh, Pooh Bear. Just thought I'd share. As I'm going through, I should have just kept the damn camera on. I'm going through it, and you know how I'm always looking for old pictures of myself to show you what my hair looked like? It's my old driver's license. This was spur of the moment, as you can tell because I have no makeup on. Yeah, you'll probably be getting me mostly like that now, unless I'm actually doing a hair video, because I can't have a full face on every day. It's like such a waste. I don't know, it's like not my thing. Ciao for now. I have wine. I do. I have wine. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Cheers, my curlies. And ciao for now. Okay. Okay. Yes. Am I good? I don't even know. I don't know if I can reverse this as I'm doing it. No, I don't think I can. Let's see if I pause. Does that even pause? Oh, no, that didn't pause. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. I'm out.